As you guys know, I went to Jamaica recently, and that was really what I needed. I really needed that time to recharge my energy, to clear my mind. It was really what the doctor ordered, for real. Guys, I'm telling you, I was going through a lot of stress. I was going through a lot of stress. I started to lose my hair. Yeah, stress can make you lose your hair. Like when I am combing my hair, like the amount of hair that I see in that comb is not normal to me. And my energy just did feel low. Yeah, stress. Because guys, for those of you who don't know, I have been battling 3 court cases. One is children court, the other one is family court, and the other one is the grandmother of my child that is pressing charges against me. So it's 3 different courts with 2 different lawyers, and it's a real struggle and a real fight, and I'm doing this just to be here for my child. And trust me, sometimes I feel like I want to pack my bags and go and never return. Like leaving Jamaica to come back to France was so difficult for me. It was really hard. I have to literally push myself to even book the ticket, push myself to even drag myself to the airport to get on that plane, because I was so at peace in Jamaica. Like I feel like 10,000 tons lift up off of my shoulder in Jamaica. I was just in a moment of bliss being there. And I'm telling you, to come back to France was so difficult. But I'm here. I'm here, and I'm trying. I'm trying to hold on to my son as long as I can and as much as I can. But trust me, I am only human. I am only human. And everybody have a breaking point. So I'm here, I'm trying, I'm pushing myself, but only God knows how long I'll be trying for if things doesn't change. I want to take this time to tell you guys out there, whoever you are, if you are going through a hard time, remember, take the time to take care of your mental health. Take the break that you need. You understand? Because I'm telling you, that Jamaica trip did wonders for me. So sometimes you have to take a step back from your problems in order to face them head on. Because now I am more rejuvenated, recharged to take on the challenges ahead. Yeah, because before I felt so defeated. I'm not going to lie to you guys. So for those of you out there who are going through struggles, please take the time for you. Take the time to deal with your mental health. Take the time to recharge. It is very important. Very important. Guys, I also want to take the time to thank each and every one of you guys out there who are here with me and who are supporting me and who genuinely love and care for me. I want to thank you guys so much. Thank you guys for the DM messages that you guys are sending, the Bible scriptures that you guys are sending, because those keep my spirit alive and I really appreciate it. I want to take the time to thank you guys. Thank you guys for all of the people who watch my video, share my video, and leave such nice and wonderful comments under my videos. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And some of you guys who are my loyal supporters said, Nance, create a GoFundMe. We want to take it a step further and we want to help you out financially and we want to donate to you. And because so much of you asked me to do it, I really went and I really created the GoFundMe. But I don't know, maybe it's my pride. I don't like to take things from people. I told you guys number of times in live streams that it's something that I find hard to do, to accept financial help from people or certain type of help from people. I even went as far as tell you that, guys, that one of the reasons why I stayed as long as I stayed with my ex-husband was because I felt a sense of duty to him, because he helped me to achieve one of the dreams that I had for so long. And because he did a small favor for me, that small favor kind of let me feel like I owe him something. And I don't like to feel like I owe people something. So it's the pride within me. So the pride within me, guys, I could not bring myself to withdraw the money from the GoFundMe. I just could not bring myself to do it. So I got 1,460 euros and I think about 30 something people donated, and I want to thank each and every one of you guys. But I want to let you guys know that that money was refunded back to your account because I did not withdraw that money from GoFundMe. And it so happened that life is so crazy, because even though I did not withdraw that money and that money was refunded to everybody who donated, when I went to Spain, I got a lot of haters in my inbox telling me, oh, I'm a scammer, or I'm a thief, or I'm a all kind of name because I rob people of GoFundMe money, and I scam people with sad story for GoFundMe money to take it to go to Spain trip and all these things. It let me realize that mental health is really, really, really real. People out there can really take time out of their busy schedule to really be that mental to come into somebody's inbox that they don't even know, to send hateful comments that they don't even know. And the worst part about it, none of those people that donated was ever in my inbox telling me that I scam or I thief or whatever. It's people who have never donated, have never liked, shared or commented on a video. They are just secretly watching and hating on somebody that they don't know. So people, I want to advise you out there to please take care of your mental health, because jealousy and envy doesn't look good on anyone. And why would you find yourself hating on somebody that you don't know? Mental health is really, really affecting the world, affecting the nation, when somebody feels like they can bully and harass somebody that they don't know. They don't know. They have never donated. They have never contributed. They're just secretly watching and hating. And why is that? Please take care of your mental health out there, people. Like I said, mental health is very, very important. And not only that, but to know that I went to Jamaica to do my teeth. Yeah, it look good, don't? Yeah, my lifelong dream, achieve it. And I did so. I achieved this out of my own hard work, out of my own dedication. I achieved this out of sacrifices that I've made. I've searched, researched, and turned over until I can finally find a place that I can go big up Tin Grinners right through and get my teeth done. And to know that people are coming in my inbox saying that I use people GoFundMe money to do my teeth. Really? The audacity. It made me know that people out there are really broken. Because it must really be somebody who is broken to do that. Because like I said, nobody that ever donated to me in any way, shape or form is the person that are actually doing this. Because I know everybody who donated to me. So these are just silent watchers that are silently watching me and hating on me. For what reason? I am a really nice and humble girl on the internet. I don't really trouble people. So what is this all about? But like I said, I want to thank each and every one of you guys who donated. And I want to really tell you guys that I appreciate it. And I really feel you guys love. I really feel you guys support. But yeah, my spirit couldn't bring me to withdraw that money. So that money was really refunded to you guys. I don't know. It feel better to me when I push myself hard and overcome my struggles. Although them always say no man is an island and everybody need help same way. But I don't know. Like I said, I feel like it was one of the things that get me in trouble with my ex-husband, because yeah, like what I said, he did one small favor for me, and the one small favor let me feel like I owe him. So it's something maybe I have to work on eternally, and work on with maybe a therapist or something to get over. So yeah, I didn't draw the money, people. You guys get back on the money, love and support same way. No, don't know, respect you same way. And I don't know, just stay tuned because a whole heap of new things to come. So stay tuned. I'm say 40 and fearless. Big up on you. Big respect. Peace. I'm out. Bye.